Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at LTC, Litecoin. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button as well if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And in the comment section below, I'm going to pin two links, one to our website where you can check out all of the results from our premium signals group, as well as a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and updates on the trades we've been taking as well. So looking first here at Litecoin, looking at the Litecoin BTC chart, so how it's performing against Bitcoin. And the first thing to notice is that really over the last sort of 3-4 years now, Litecoin has not been strong against Bitcoin at all. And probably when you look at it, how other alts are performing against Bitcoin, it's probably one of the weaker ones, to be honest. There's a really clear downtrend that we are seeing on this. This is the weekly chart for Litecoin, Bitcoin, and when you compare it to another chart such as Ethereum, for example, this is Ethereum BTC on the weekly chart. We can see there's an uptrend, looking much stronger against Bitcoin. So definitely, I would say this is sort of a long-term weaker coin. However, if we go to the daily chart on Litecoin BTC, we will see that despite the rise in Bitcoin dominance, actually over the past 3 or 4 days, Litecoin has been one of the stronger performing coins. Only just recently, though, sort of from the middle part of this week. If we take a look at Litecoin USDT on the daily chart, we can see that we've just lost recently this clear uptrend we had been in since the bottom of we saw at the start of November. This was in place and held multiple times, but just at the start of March there we did break below it, which we saw quite a sell-off from that point. That now is the clear resistance here on the daily. We can see right now that it's trying to flip above this $93.50 area. To look for continuation. If we do see a rejection, we could see a steeper pullback this time. However, one thing to keep in mind with Litecoin, despite all the things I've just said, quite bearish, Litecoin has a halving in August. I believe it's the 3rd or the 4th halving they've had. And if you look back in history, running up to the halving, normally about a month before it peaks, so in the sort of 2 or 3 months running up to it, so from sort of now to July, we could see a bit of a run on Bitcoin before the halving, which is expected at the start of August this year. Now, considering this is one of the stronger performing coins, if we do see this resistance flipped, you could look to then take an entry on the confirmed flip of the resistance. So a daily close above sort of $93.50 or $95 ideally, you could look to take a position. Now obviously the first target is going to be $100 is quite a psychological level. So that is going to be one that needs to be cleared first. We can see we've had lots of rejections from that area throughout February. So clear $100 and you could then start to look to target up towards $130 in this area here. Now if we zoom out and look at a bit of a sort of over a longer period of time, potentially seeing a rounded bottom formation here. So if I show you what I mean by that. So we can see how it's following this this potentially rounded bottom before another parabolic move to the upside, which could coincide with the halving that I said about. So this is something that we could see over the next couple of months, an explosive move, perhaps targeting up towards $200 again. But of course, as I said, the $100 has to be cleared first. After that, I would be targeting sort of $130 to $140 before looking at a move then towards the $200 mark leading into the halving. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and let me know in the comment section below any coin you'd like me to take a look at on the next video, and we will consider that when making a decision. Thanks for watching.